Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to freeze multiple rows and columns in Google Sheets so your headers stay visible no matter how far you scroll. First, use the thick gray bars, the quick way. The fastest way to freeze multiple sections is by using the grab bars located in the empty top left corner of your spreadsheet. Look at the very top left corner where the row numbers and column letters meet. You'll see two thick gray lines. To freeze rows, click and drag the horizontal gray line down to the last row you want to stay fixed. To freeze columns, click and drag the vertical gray line to the right. Everything above or to the left of those lines will now stay locked in place as you move through your data. Next, use the View menu for specific selection. If you prefer using the menu or need to freeze a specific number of rows quickly, the View tab is your best friend. Go to the top menu and click View, then hover over Freeze. You can select 1 row, 2 rows, or up to row X. To use the Up to option, first click on the cell in the last row or column you want to freeze. When you go back to View, Freeze, the menu will automatically update to show your current row number, like up to row 5. Lastly, unfreeze or adjust your headers. If you freeze too many rows by mistake or want to reset your view, it only takes 2 clicks. Go back to View and then Freeze. Select No Rows or No Columns to clear all frozen panes. You can also simply grab those gray bars from step 1 and drag them back to the top left corner to reset the sheet manually. And that's pretty much it. To freeze multiple rows or columns in 2026, either drag the thick gray bars from the top left corner of the grid or use the View Freeze menu to select your specific range. This keeps your titles perfectly in view while you navigate large amounts of information. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.